Yeah, I eat rocks and talk to fairies and see Indians climbing out of my closet and drink beer and pop pills and take any. If you turn your back, I'll take anything you got in your wallet, your purse, anything you got, and blame you for it. Yeah, I'm Beth.
Yeah,
Back cars and drove cars with no oil in them till they blew up and tore up this and tore up that. Run through the life savings of 2 husbands. I had the Medicaid people spend over $1 million in medical tests, trying to figure out why I like painkillers so much, but they can't figure it out. So, back off.
Yeah,
I
Beth.
stole a barbecue grill from a guy that died that morning. I've taken more drugs in the last few years than you've ever taken in your entire life. So, back off.
I got arrested for
Beth.
beating up my mama and committing fraud. I've been to the big house. You think I've been on probation for years.
I'm
scared of you?
Back off.
Yeah, I know I look dead, but I'm not dead. And if you turn your back on me for a minute, I'll be up and at you.
What I want to know is, when my sister goes to hell, will the devil be frightened?